Hey everybody, I'm Peter from Off-Road Electric, and today again we'll work on Tatra. The main thing today is to remove the cab. In a few hours a guy with forklift will come here and we hopefully will be able to lift up the cab from the truck and get it out. Let's go! We have to lower the truck because when he picks up the cab, he has to lift it up, and he will not probably be able to get it out from the gate. So we have to take the air out of the tires. And now we have to lift up a little bit the steering column, because when the cab sits on the pallets, obviously this can be damaged and I cannot remove it yet. So let's do it. This will give us maybe 2 inches of lift, which will be enough to prevent the damage of it. If this breaks, it will hit me directly to my face probably. Looks nice. This is the maximum I can get. I hope it's enough. And now let's drive this pin out and unscrew these things so he can put the fork over there. So hopefully he will be able to put the fork in the gap. In case the guy wants to get the Tatra out, I will prepare for the situation. Here are the keys. Over here, these axles are locked, and so we have to unlock them for that purpose. And we'll do that the way, we'll drive this bolt inside, and we'll push on the mechanism there, and the axles should be free. We'll see how it works. It's locked now. This should unlock the axle. Okay, I'm not going to do that here for the rest of the day. I think we are screwed. I put the whole bolt over there and it's not locked, it's still locked. This is special thread, so I cannot take another bolt. I would have to order that. Let's try another one. We'll see. Maybe if I do the same from another one, they will be free. But I hope it will work. Otherwise we are screwed. if he wants to take the Tatra out. The maintenance manual says that these are exactly the bolts they should unlock these brakes. No, they are too short. Now we have to hope for the best that he will be able to remove the cab without moving the Tatra, because I can't move it now. I will try the last thing. They are locked. They are locked and they should be unlocked now. That will be interesting. Hopefully we'll get it out.
6 hours later.
Protože ještě tady nemáme vyhráno. Je to. Ještě. Právě ty pojedeš ještě dolů. Dobrý, pokoj. Tak, dobrý, dolů. Dobrý, můžeš. Dolů, tady dolů, jo. Dobrý. A hlavně dolů. Bacha, Milo, ty už si hodně to už nekle.
Už je to dobrý tady, nemusí jít dál.
Dobrý, problém bude věc.
I forgot to unscrew these bolts, obviously. We found out the hard way. Já tam lezu, jo?
Drží to tam, víte? Dobrý, to udrželo tam.
Já tam lezu zase.
Výborně. Nedrží to někde na gáblu nebo něco?
Nemáme to zavázat.
Ne, to není třeba.
Musíme to zavázat.
Ne. Dobré, hoši, dobrý.
Pak to
Ráda jde otevřít, jo?
já ji otevřu. us here. Super, it's done, and we can continue on other things on the Tatra. Nothing can block us from continuing. Awesome.